As a business owner, building your dreams and protecting your hard work is part of who you are. But that doesn't mean it's easy. What if you had a trusted expert in your corner? Someone to give you confidence and take one more thing off your plate.
Hey Pace, how's the new product coming?
QuickBooks Live makes it possible. We'll match you with a certified bookkeeper who understands your industry and cares about your business. It starts with a personalized setup.
So we've set up your chart of accounts. Now let's get your banks connected.
And throughout the month, your live bookkeeper works behind the scenes to categorize transactions and reconcile accounts. It all happens right in QuickBooks Online. Questions along the way? No problem. Collaborate with your bookkeeper using one-way video chat and screen share.
So it looks like this payment hasn't cleared yet.
Then at the end of each month, your expert closes the books and walks you through essential reports.
Here's your profit and loss statement for June.
Guaranteed accuracy means you have the information you need to make smart business decisions. And when tax time comes around, you're prepared.
Everything's up to date and ready for your account. See, I told you could do this.
Ready to team up? Live bookkeepers are here to help you get back to doing what you do best. Trusted experts, guaranteed accurate books.